How to make secret code for a chat lock in WhatsApp. Hi everyone, welcome to our channel. In this tutorial video, I'll show you the quick way to make secret code for a chat lock in WhatsApp. Do watch the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe our channel for more tech and tips videos. First, launch WhatsApp application on your device. Now scroll down and locate Lock Chats at top of the screen. Tap on it and you need to confirm your password or fingerprint in order to get access to this lock chat section. Tap three dots at top right corner of the screen. Tap Chat Lock Settings. Here you got the two options, that is hide lock chats and secret code. Simply tap on the secret code. So this will help us to unlock our chats with the secret code instead of your device password. So let's tap on it and enter the secret code. Now tap on the next button at bottom of the screen. Remember, you must use at least 4 characters or 1 emoji. Now enter the secret code again to confirm. So you have successfully created the secret code on WhatsApp in order to unlock the lock chat. So I hope this video was helpful. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.